Welcome to this quick guide on how to filter your Instagram Reels by a custom date range, so you can easily find exactly the videos you posted between any two dates. If you've ever spent way too much time scrolling through your Reels looking for one from a specific week or month, this method is about to save you a ton of hassle. Let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your device. Once you're in, head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now look for the three-line menu in the top right corner of your screen. Tap that menu to open up a list of options. From here, you'll see an option called Your Activity. Tap on that, and you'll find yourself inside a section where Instagram keeps track of everything you've done on the app. Scroll down a bit until you see Content You Shared. Under that heading, you'll see different types of content, like posts, stories, and, of course, Reels. Tap on Reels. Now you'll see all the Reels you've posted. But here's where the magic happens. Look for the Filter by Date option. Tap that, and Instagram will let you choose exactly what time period you want to focus on. Select Date Range. From there, you can pick your start date and your end date. Just tap each one and set the date you want. After you've chosen both your start and end dates, tap Apply. Instagram will instantly filter your Reels so that only those posted within your selected date range show up. This makes it super easy to find old Reels, check out your content from a particular event, or just keep better track of what you've shared over time. Finding your Reels by date isn't just about convenience. It's also a great way to review your content strategy, see how your style has changed, or even relive some memories. And now that you know how to filter by custom date range, you can do all that in just a few taps. Thanks for watching, and happy scrolling through your Instagram Reels, now with way less hassle. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips and tricks.